Maybe it's my fault for seeing too much potential in people that I get frustrated. Maybe that's me. When I look around at my community of sober individuals from alcohol, any kind of addiction, drugs, you name it, we're sober. We have literally conquered the most destructive thing that would be holding us back. And then I see the individuals, the awesome individuals that have accomplished this and slip back into the old ways and their old habits, not in use, but in daily routines and habits, like sitting on the couch and just like getting fatter. No motivation to go get a job, no motivation to go better themselves with the potential they have inside. Let me remind you, being sober is probably one of the hardest things we could ever have accomplished. And to fall back into comfort, literally the same habits, the same lazy sloth-like behavior, and no ambition to better or spread the word and the gift of what you've been given and be content with yourself. Maybe it's me. Maybe I care too much. That, for me, is frustrating. Make it a great day. Better yourself. Do better.